Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a video from YouTube into your code.org weblab project. So I want to add a video and I want it to display here under this heading. And I'm just going to place my cursor there under the break. So BR is line break. So this is my heading 1. This is BR, which is just a break. And then underneath that, I want my video to appear. So I'm going to have to first of all find the video that I want to put in. So I'm going to open up. So here I have YouTube open. And this is the video. This is a computer science video. And I want to embed this video into my website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this share button under my YouTube clip. And then I see this word embed and I recognize these angle brackets and I know that that's something related to my HTML code. So I'm going to click on the word embed. And here I have how to embed the video. So YouTube makes it really easy for us to embed videos. All we need to do is scroll down here and click on the word copy. Now you can actually set it at a particular time to start if you wanted to start at a particular time frame in your video. Say if you wanted it to start at 30 seconds, you can set that up here if you want. I'm happy for it to start after 10 seconds. So let's just copy that. It copies this here. Go back to your code.org web project and you simply paste it in using Control V to paste. And you paste all of that code from here, from YouTube, into your HTML weblab project. And it's an iframe tag. You don't need to worry about anything in it. You can very quickly pick out the width and the height if you wanted to change those attributes to make your video taller or wider. You can very quickly pick them out, but you don't need to worry about any of the rest of it. YouTube makes it really easy for us to do this. So quick recap. I'm going to just show you how to do it again. So I'm just going to press enter, give it a break, BR to give me a little break, a line break that is, press enter, and I'm going to pop another video in there just as an example. So I'm going to open up YouTube again. In YouTube, here's another computer video that I'm quite happy to pop into my website. Doesn't matter what video, depending on the content of your website, obviously. I'm going to click on the share button here. I'm going to click on the embed button with the angles brackets for the code. Click on that. Simply click on the copy button. Go back to my code.org tab. And I'm going to just paste it in. Now you can right click and paste if you wish, or you can Control V on your keyboard to paste. So paste it in. And now under the first video, I have my second video. And let's have a look at how our web page looks. So we've got two videos. We've got our images from before. And I can close my web page down. If I wanted to put another break between those videos, it's just simply BR, and that gives you a bit more space in between them. But simply that's how you put in a video. YouTube makes it really easy for us to do this, and the reason is, of course, if it's easy for us to embed YouTube clips, more people will just upload their videos to YouTube, embed their videos using this method, and then of course there's more hits on YouTube, there's more views on YouTube, and everybody's a winner. So that's exactly why that's done like that. So that's simply how to upload a video from YouTube onto your code.org web lab. Thank you.